Hello guys. So in today's video we are gonna be learning that how we can extract the confidence score in a UiPath document understanding project. You guys must have heard about the confidence score, right? Like it is the percentage of score that the extractor thinks that it has extracted the data correctly, right? So we can play with the confidence score, guys. Today I will let you know how. For example, we have an invoice over here, and again, guys, this invoice has been provided to me, to us by Rakesh Kumar Behra, so all thanks goes to him. Let's go here, invoice. This I have already done this thing. Okay, this invoice have already been covered in the previous videos. If you don't, guys, if you have any doubt, you can refer to the previous ones. Okay, so this is the invoice, and I have to extract. I have to extract bill due, due date, invoice number, and amount due field. So these are the four fields that I need to extract, and I need to be using the confidence score as well in the Excel sheet. I need these four fields to be printed in an Excel sheet, and I want the confidence score out of them as well. Okay, how can we do that, and what is the confidence score here? So all this I'm going to be covering in this video. Okay, I'm not going to be covering all these steps because I have already covered in my previous videos. So I request you to guys please go through my previous videos, and if you have any doubt, any thing you don't feel that you are able to grasp, so you guys can let me know in the comments, and I will love to help you guys. Okay. Okay, so this is pretty simple. We have defined a taxonomy and this digitization step, and here I am taking the files from this directory, input directory. Okay, and the digitized document activity over here. Then we have classified to the using the intelligent keyword classifier. Then in the data extraction scope, I have used a document type ID, which you guys can take from here, or you guys can take from here as well in the taxonomy manager. Okay, so if you will go inside your hierarchy, you can find this document type ID as well. Organization.finance-department.invoices. This is for me. This thing can be, this thing can change for you because as you have defined your hierarchy, so it will be changing on the basis of that. Okay, so let's cancel this. So we are focusing here on OCR, sorry, on the confidence. Okay, so now we have used the present validation station and use the form extractor here as well because it was on a single document that I need you to guys see. And when you do export extraction results, there is on the left hand side, on the right hand side of the properties, there is two checkbox that include confidence and include OCR confidence. So we have to check this, and if you want OCR confidence in your Excel sheet or anywhere where you are using this data, you can check this box as well. Okay, then it's pretty simple. I have used another this assign activity, and I've used this output because I have created an output folder over here. I'll show you guys. So this is the output folder. This is empty for now, and I've used the path.get file name without extension. This is a method of path class, and the file is this file only in the loop. Okay, .xlsx. This will be getting the file name without extension. So here this part output will be only this file name 873101 till 101, it will be here. Then I'm adding an xlsx and storing it into the output folder. So this is it. Clicking on save, and then I'm providing that. This is the simple thing that you guys must be knowing, that I have already explained the for each loop to iterate through all those four tables, because we are not using any tables or any line items here, so only two sheets will be there, simple fields and simple fields formatted. So now we need to extract the the confidence score. Okay, so how we can do that? See, right after your data extraction scope, you guys can use, this is just for the demonstration purpose, right? You guys can use a write text file activity, and what it will be doing, we will be printing the extracted results into a text file. Okay, as you can see that, if you'll see here, so this is the of the variable type extracted results. I'm gonna print this, but this is the variable type of extraction result. So we can't, convert it into a string and directly print here, right? It won't be possible for us. So we need to serialize this. Okay, and what is the meaning of serialize? Serialization means converting an object to a readable JSON format. Okay, so this is the meaning of serialization. Is nothing JavaScript objectable notation. It includes small key and value pairs, just like here you guys can see. This is a JSON format only. This is a key and this is a pair. This is a pair or a value, right? Sorry, this is a key and this is a value, and this thing both becomes key value pair. Okay, for example, key is the name and the value is invoices. Key is field name and the value is document type. So this is it. Okay, pretty simple. So we need to convert this extracted results into readable JSON format, right? So we have an this function called serialize. So as you guys can see in the output also, it's showing serialize the extraction result to a JSON string so that we can read it. Okay, okay, and what, write to file name, we can use file, because this is the file in the loop. Okay, and what we can do, we can use here also this path dot get file name without extension. This is will be getting the file name without extension. Let me just do like this to zoom in, that you guys can see a bit clearer. File, this is the file in the loop, and I'm gonna add a string called xlsx. Sorry, not xlsx, this will be txt, my bad, because we are using the notepad. Okay, path.get file name without extension, this will be the file dot to txt save. Okay, so this will be writing us a text file, okay, which will be opening in a text editor, and let's see. Okay, so let's run this bot, run. So bot is running now. We have only one file to demonstrate, because I don't need this file, this data to be extracted. I want the confidence score to be understood to you guys. Okay, okay, so if I'll refresh my this panel, project panel, so I have a, in this file name only got converted to txt because of this. Okay, I hope this is clear. So what we'll do, we will open it into notepad plus plus, because there I can show you guys clearly what I'm gonna explain to you. Okay, so we have opened this file now. So this is the extracted results. Now you guys must be very confused that all this data, what is this? This is nothing, guys. This is the extracted result of this PDF. Okay, okay. So if you will be seeing very carefully, you must be seeing that we have a fields called build to over here. This is the field build to. So this is the one field Okay, this is the second field and it comes under field name, due date. Okay, and this comes under invoice number. This is invoice number. Okay, and the last field will be amount due. This is amount due. So what we can do, we can just make this a bit clearer. So I'm separating from field name so you guys can understand a bit clearer, guys. Okay, and here it is. Let's press enter. Here it is again. Okay, so we are having four fields, that is build to and due date. Okay, invoice number. This is invoice number and amount due. We can add another space just to keep things clean, guys. Okay, so we have four fields and the data has been extracted. So you guys can see that we can have a field called confidence over here. Let's search for the confidence field. There is it. There it is. 91%. This is 91. See, this thing only is shown in the validation station. If I'll show you guys again so you guys can see. This is very critical, like if you want to be playing with this confidence score, and on the basis of confidence score you want to open your validation station, you can easily go with an if activity over there. So you guys can see 91% is, I'll just, so see, build to field is 91% over, this is over there. And we have due date is 100%. Let's see, uh due date is, this is due date, this is due date. Now our confidence is 1.0, means 100%. 1 is 100 and 0 is 0%, so it's like that. This 0.91 is nothing but 91%. Okay, I hope this is clear, guys. And invoice number over here, we can see in the third fields we have invoice number. So its invoice number is, you guys can see 97% over here on the left in this validation station, and here we have 97% over here as well in the this confidence field, 97%. Okay, okay, let's move down a bit. Let's move down. Okay, and this will be 94% for amount due. So we can check in our validation station whether it's saying right or not. So this is 94% for the amount due. Okay, so let's cancel this. Okay, so I guess, guys, this is clear now. Okay, that how we have to search confidence. Now we have searched our confidence field. Now how to print the confidence field over here in UiPath Studio. This is the major challenge that many of the developers also are facing. But let's see. Okay, so we have, like, this is not needed now. Let's comment it out. Okay, so let's go again to our this file and let's bifurcate again this things. Field name. Okay, then we have field name again. So I'm bifurcating from field name, guys. I hope this is clear because we are having four fields, so I'm bifurcating from fields. Okay, yeah, 1 2 3 4. As you can see in here, we have this JSON format invoice extracted results data. That we just serialized. Because of this activity only we are able to get this data out of this JSON string format, right? Let's look it very carefully. Okay, so now we can see that we need to extract this confidence over here. This confidence, right? We can't extract directly because we have to go to many fields. Okay, so let's see that which all fields we need to go through to extract this confidence score. This is score, right? Not a percentage. If I multiply this by 100, it will be converting into percentage. Okay. Uh, so as you can see, if I'll go here, the only reason that I opened this in Notepad++ because editor, because I can see that where this thing is started curly braces and where this thing is ending. So you guys can see obviously this is the starting of the this JSON string, and next we have this uh, results document. Okay, this is still here. So all this is coming inside results document. So this is one field. Okay, we will have to be using this field in our process of extracting the confidence score. Then we have bounds. Let's see. This is the starting of bounds and this is the end of bounds. Okay, and then we have no inverted, sorry, curly braces. Then we have document type field. Okay, document type field is over there, and where it's ending over here. Okay, so also we don't have this, we don't need to include this, we need to include still till results document. Okay, and this is okay. Reference, we have references till here only. We can't involve this as well. And what we need to involve is references there. uh, let's go with fields. Let's see fields where it's opening from here, it's not even here, and it should be closing it at the end. Yeah, so we can involve fields as well. So we have two uh, fields now, results document and fields. These two we can involve. Okay, inside fields we have different fields, right? These all are coming inside fields. These all are coming inside fields, right? So let's see here that how we can improvise this. Let's go with the message box activity for now, guys. Okay, let's try to develop some logic out of it. Okay, let's see. uh, okay, let's try extracted results, and then we were using 1 second, we were using results documents. Okay, extracted results dot results document. Then we were using fields, we have fields as well. And then if we'll go inside fields, so we can have let's see, values, right? We can have values here. So values is from here till here. So inside values we have our confidence. Okay, so document fields is there, and inside fields we can have fields. Fields is a array because it consists of many fields, right? So for now we can go with the first index. Let's go with values, we have values here. And then let's go with values are also a type of array only for here, right? So we have to use another index, starting index. We need to take dot. Let's see, what do we have? We have confidence over here now. Okay, so guys, this will be extracting this logic will be extracting the confidence score over here. Okay, I hope this is clear, guys. This logic will be extracting the confidence score. I hope this is clear, right? And this logic came from where? This logic came from your this extracted results serialized JSON string format. Okay, but this is not the way we will be extracting the document this confidence. Let me just show you that what it present you guys as an output. So we'll be getting a message box activity, output message, I mean. Okay. So you guys can see we got the first confidence score, that was build to fields, right? So this is the build to field confidence score, and this is 918. You guys can see it's exactly like it is, right? And then the process will be moving ahead. Okay. So we have this as well. We don't need it now. Okay, so I guess guys this is clear that how to develop this logic of extracting the confidence score out of any field that is being mentioned in your taxonomy manager. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so let's do one thing. As we need to extract all the confidence score, let's delete this activity and use a for each activity over here and give the same logic over here as well. Okay, or you can write it in a different variable, save it in a different variable, use that variable over here, but it's more or less the same thing. Let's write extracted results dot results document dot fields. So now we won't be giving any index because we need to iterate inside of this, right? And if you'll see the document type, that is argument type, is also very important guys. So please remember, it will automatically take, and if it doesn't take, you can give this argument. This is UiPath dot document processing dot contracts dot results data point. Okay, you guys can extract this by using a message box activity over here, no worries, but it's automatically taking, so we'll not do that. Okay, I can take as score. Item will be score because we need to I can give anything over. This is just an iterator. Okay, this is just an iterator. Okay, now I can go with the message box activity inside of my for each loop, and I'll be writing score because we are extracting the confidence score over here, and this is the iterator score. And now after fields, what was there in our logic? It was values, right? But values was also in an array format, right? So what we can do, we can access this by giving an index and calling the confidence score over here like this. Okay, I hope this is very much clear guys, that how to extract the confidence out of your PDF, out of this every fields, in the taxonomy manager, right? Let's quickly run this bot. The only reason we use for each activity because fields is not a single element, it's a combination of array, right? You can see 1 2 3 4, so it's not having a single element, it's having four elements, four field names, right? So first our output will be 0.91, second will be 1, and you can see second will be 1, and let's go to third output. Third will be 0.97, here it is 97, and the fourth will be 944, that is 94%. So it's like that, this is it. And you guys can see on the left hand side also it's coming all right, 91, 100, 97, and 94%. And if you need to extract the OCR confidence as well, you guys can do it. It's nothing but you need to, let's stop this for now, don't need this. Confirm, it always throws an error, an exception error. You can use another message box. Okay, and what we can do, we can again use the score dot values, can use any index, then we can use the OCR confidence, right? This will be showing the OCR confidence. Okay, and OCR confidence is nothing but this. This is the optical character recognition confidence, OCR confidence, and how confident it was on digitizing the document. You know, so it's generally one, I think. Yeah, it's one because it has uh, completely digitized the document. So this is coming as one. Okay, but this is not necessary. But you guys can include this as well in your workflow if you guys need it. And this will be showing it. Okay, no worries. So let's go down, and on the export extraction results we can check box, we can tick on these two boxes to include confidence and include OCR confidence in your Excel file, right? So if I have any by chance created an Excel file, yeah, we can delete it for now. Can delete. Okay, so now let's save it and let's run in debug mode. Oh, let's just run it. You guys have seen the steps, right? I don't need to repeat it. If you guys have any doubts, please go through my previous videos. I'll be more than happy to help you guys if you have any doubts over there. Okay, so now this will be 9-1 and it will be 1 1 again, 1 9-7 1 9-4 1, because we are extracting the confidence and OCR confidence simultaneously, right? That's why it's showing this. Okay, so let's press submit, continue and save. So our workflow has been completed, and let's go to our project. Let's just refresh it. It's there in output folder. 1 second. Yeah, let's just open this. Okay, so guys can see that we have these fields as well. Guys can see that we have 3 fields for every field, 3 extracted fields. Why is that? Because first is the data that has been extracted, second is the extracted score, confidence score, and the third is the uh, OCR confidence score, that how much confident it was on digitizing the document. Right? This is the sole purpose of OCR, right? Optical character recognition technology. Okay, and in simple fields formatted, you guys can see again we have all these things. Okay, you guys can see this is it. Amount due, this is was the data, this is the confidence, and this is the OCR confidence. Okay, so guys, I think this is clear, and this will be a very short video because this was the main agenda and it got cleared, guys. If you have any doubts regarding what is this, why I did this, anything, please ask me in comments, right? I'll be more than happy to reply each and every comment of you guys, and please keep supporting. Thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Till then, keep learning.